We're excited about the new Overhaul firefighting ladder because what's nice is it now complies with and is built to comply with the NFPA 1931-32 standards. It meets ISO for footage counting on the trucks now. It also has your heat labels and heat stickers and all of those things that are required for the firefighting industry. But the changes that we have made as opposed to our old ladders are you can operate it very easy with your gloved hands. 4 pins in the hinge now instead of 2. The ladder operates smooth and easily because of that. Also, you don't have the U-shaped pull-out tabs that can be difficult for firefighters with big gloved hands to operate. Therefore, you simply squeeze in the rock lock. You're able to adjust that ladder. You'll find that as you press these in, they'll be spring-loaded to pick up the hole automatically. Again, making it much easier to be able to operate the entire system. And we've added this nice carry handle, so it makes it a lot easier to be able to carry. Makes it well balanced, makes it easier to manage. You'll also notice as I point out the roof hooks and rafter hooks we have here at the bottom. I can very easily with my bunker boot deploy that roof and ladder hook. So with my gear and breathing apparatus, I don't have to bend down here to try to work those hooks. The other thing that's nice is we have this safety insight material that is made out of a mineral. Therefore, you don't have to worry about it gouging or scratching as a sticker. Even if it gouges, it's still going to light up in the dark. And so this is nice while you're doing that work. The other thing that's impressive is as you rotate the ladder up into position, those roof hooks are able to be hooked over the rafter or the roof. You can lock it into place and ascend that ladder. In the firefighting world, because you're fighting fires, it's always important to be able to quickly deploy this ladder. So it's easy to back up with it, lock it into position, walk forward with it up close to the edge of the house. I'm able to release these again with my gloved hands and quickly and very easily with training, raise that ladder up and get on the roof. For homeowners, of course, we would recommend laying it on the ground and adjusting it, but a homeowner is not fighting a fire. Now we can stop at any rung to be able to obtain the height that we do need. It's the same up at the top. You'll notice I just squeeze in on the rock locks. I walk forward with it. I can lock it into whatever area that I need. The thing that's nice in an A-frame position is often firefighters are having to deal with putting the ladder over fences and use it for hose bridging over fences. I can adjust this up to get over a fence because I do not have those spreader bars that prevent me from getting over a fence. I can even release this hinge, raise that up, get it up over the top of that fence, bring it down, have it lock into position, and now I can safely get access to the fence. To release these hooks, I just again can retract them with the bunker boots. And one of the greatest features is often we're in burrow pits. You're doing rescues against a vehicle. You can drop this down into a 90 degree against the vehicle, ascend this side with your extrication tool, instead of sideways against the vehicle where I push and the ladder tends to tip. Now I can face the vehicle, put all the pressure on the extrication tool and rescue that individual. Also, you're on unlevel ground often in those gullies off the side of the road. I put my bunker boot right here and can adjust that ladder because we have ratchet legs that allow you to accommodate that unlevel ground. Then we have these dongles for your gloved hands to unlevel surfaces or unlevel ground back in the storage position. As you're up in an extension ladder position, oftentimes you'll find yourselves with a lot of debris on the ground. I love the fact that I can again take my bunker boot, take that ladder that's listing sideways, adjust it up to where I am climbing a safe, straight, solid ladder. So we have really made some tremendous improvements to the new Overhaul firefighting ladder. Fits easier on your apparatus and is a great piece of equipment.